In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds a strong layer of security to your account by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. This helps protect you even if someone somehow learns your password. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can turn it on with confidence. Start by opening Discord, either in your desktop app or in a web browser. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left of the window for the small gear icon next to your profile. This opens user settings. Click that to open your settings panel. In the settings menu, choose the My Account section. This is where you manage your login and security. Here, find the option to Enable Authenticator app and click it. This tells Discord you want to use a code-generating app for verification. If you don't already have an Authenticator app on your phone, go ahead and download one from your device's app store. Any time-based one-time password app will work. Install it and open it so you're ready for the next step. Back in Discord, you'll see a QR code on the screen. On your phone, in the Authenticator app, choose the option to add a new account, then select Scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code in Discord. If scanning isn't possible, most apps also let you enter a setup key manually. Just follow the prompts you see. Your Authenticator app will now show a 6-digit code for Discord that refreshes every 30 seconds. Type that code into the field in Discord. Enter it carefully and keep an eye on the timer so you submit a fresh code if the current one is about to expire. When the code is entered, click Activate. Discord will then ask you to confirm the change by entering your account password. This is a security check to make sure it's really you making the update. Type your password and then click Confirm. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled. From now on, whenever you log in, you'll first enter your password and then open your Authenticator app to get your one-time code. If a code is ever rejected, wait for the next one to refresh and try again, and make sure your phone's time is set correctly so the codes stay in sync. You've just added a powerful layer of protection to your Discord account. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra peace of mind that comes with 2FA.